Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine, children. Children, see, this is your math class, and you have to open page number 15. We will do begin with the shortest object and write. Okay, see these pictures. We have to find the shortest. Okay, ठीक है. हमें सबसे जो छोटा है वहाँ से शुरू करते हुए सबसे बड़े तक आना है. ओके, we will find the shortest and then by doing that we will come to the longest. Okay, tallest. all right, तो इसमें से जो सबसे छोटा है चिल्ड्रन हमें वो ढूंढना है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज, wait a minute children, wait a minute. Okay, this is, see, this is the shortest, I think. One, write down one here children. Yes, see, this is the shortest among them, isn't it? इन सब में सबसे छोटा मुझको यही लग रहा है चिल्ड्रन. सो मार्क वन here. Okay, now see another. See the height. Okay, लंबा है ये तो. It's tall. It is also tall, but it is also tall. See, दोनों की लंबाई देखिए चिल्ड्रन, ये tall है ना. So we will write 2 here, I think, isn't it? हमको यहाँ पे we will write 2 here. Write down 2. Okay children, write down 2 here. See, 1, 2. Now 3 and 4. This is the tallest among them. इन सब में ये tallest है. Okay children, ये सबसे tall है. So write down 4 here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, have you done children? Done? All right. So we found the shortest. See here, shortest plant. Okay, this is the shortest plant. Now second one. See which one is shortest among them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the shortest. See the 4 children, can you see? Yes, I think this is the shortest. Write down 1 here children. 1. Okay, this bat is shortest among them. Okay, so write down 1 here. यहाँ पे 1 लिखेंगे children. Write down 1. Then again we will start finding this or this. I think this. Second position. This bat is on second position. Okay. Okay. Write down 2 here children. 2. Write down 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Now third one. Where is the third? Where is the third? Which bat is on third position? Can you find children? Can you find which is on third position? Yes. Here. It is on third position. Okay. So we will write 3 here. Write down 3 like this. Okay. 3 here. This is on third position and this is on fourth position children. Write down 4 here. Okay. Write down 4. Alright. See. Okay. Write down 4 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All 4 we have written here. Okay children, now see, begin with the tallest object and write 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we have to find tallest here. Which is the tallest one among them children? We have to find it. Okay, चारों pictures देखिए children. See, 4 pictures. Okay, 4 pictures are here. See, first frog, elephant, cat and zebra. Okay, which is the tallest among them? I think elephant. Write down 1 here children. Elephant is tallest, I think, isn't it? See, elephant. Yes. Now second, on second position, I think on second position zebra. We can write 2 here. Write down 2. Okay, zebra. Zebra is second tallest animal among them. Zebra is second tallest animal among them. Okay children? Yes. Now let's find which animal is on third position. Where 1 and 2 both left, isn't it? I think this is on third position. See, third, 3, this is on third position. Yes children, first, second, third, and the frog is the shortest one, isn't it? The frog is the shortest among these animals. So write down 4 here. Okay, write down 4. Okay children, see again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Written? Have you all written? Now see here. We have to find again the tallest among them. See, first we will see the photos. Okay, here, and this girl. I think she is the tallest one. Yes, na? She is tallest. So write down 1 here, children. She is tallest, isn't it? Yes, children, she is tallest. Now second, I think she, isn't it? Are you agree, children? Okay, आप agree करते हो मुझसे? She is the second tallest girl in this picture, isn't it? She is the second tallest girl. So write down 2 here. Okay, 2 children, write down 2 here. All right. First and second. Okay, second. Now third tallest girl, which is the third tallest girl here? She. Yes, so write down 3 here, like this. Write down 3 children. Okay, and she is the shortest girl, isn't it? She is the shortest girl. So we will write 4 here. Write down 4. Yes, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat, children. What we have to do here? We have to find the shortest among these. ओके, हमको इनमें से जो सबसे छोटा है ऊपर वाले में, वहां से ढूंढना है कौन था सबसे छोटा चिल्ड्रन. ये था रोज प्लांट. यस, 1, then 2, 3, 4. ओके, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, we have to find out the shortest bat here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Written, children. See, now here we have to find the tallest one, and the tallest is elephant among them, isn't it? So I have written 1 here. You also write 1. Then zebra is on second position, third the cat, and fourth one a frog. Yes, see again, the elephant, zebra on second position, third cat, and fourth is the frog. Okay, children. Now here again we have to find the tallest among these children. इन बच्चों में जो tallest है हमें वो ढूंढना था. Yes, so I think the girl, she is the tallest. So write down 1 here. Okay, write down 1 here, children. Then second, she. Yes na, pink top and blue skirt. Write down 2 here. Then third, pink dress. Okay, the girl wore pink dress. And fourth, this little girl. Okay, she is on fourth position. This little girl is on fourth position. So children, we have done page number 15. Okay, do as I have instructed you right now. whatever I have given you the answer, please do it. Please write in your book like this, okay? And hopefully you all understood the concept of short and tall. अब आप लोग समझ गए चिल्ड्रन, शॉर्ट क्या होता है, टॉल क्या होता है. शॉर्ट छोटा और शॉर्टेस्ट सबसे छोटा. ऐसे ही टॉल लंबा एंड टॉलेस्ट सबसे लंबा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स, कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए हुए थे. उसमें से कहीं पे हमें शॉर्टेस्ट ढूंढना था और उसके बाद उसको ऑर्डर में लगाना था. जो शॉर्टेस्ट था वो पहले पोजीशन पे, जो उससे थोड़ा बड़ा था सेकंड पोजीशन पे, जो उससे भी बड़ा था वो थर्ड पे, और जो सबसे बड़ा था वो फोर्थ पे. ऐसे हमें उल्टा लगाना था. ओके, छोटे से बड़े की तरफ गए हम लोग, है ना. और यहाँ पे हमने क्या ऑर्डर फॉलो किया, बड़े से हम लोग छोटे की तरफ आए. सबसे बड़ा, फिर थोड़ा उससे छोटा, फिर थोड़ा उससे छोटा, और लास्ट में सबसे छोटा. है ना चिल्ड्रन, यही किया हमने. टॉलेस्ट एंड शॉर्टेस्ट हमने फाइंड किया और इसे ऑर्डर में लगाया. ओके, ठीक है. सो डन एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सी यू इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर.